Ready to enhance your skills and gain confidence? Join us as we guide you step by step through the art of precise wax application and removal, unlocking the secrets to professional results. Let's explore the various methods of obtaining wax tailored for different services. We have 4 distinct styles: markers with smaller and larger applicators, a medium-sized bulb, and a large-sized bulb. Transitioning to the marker style with a small applicator. Dip a small wooden applicator into the wax at a 45-degree angle while extending your index finger on the back. Remove excess wax by smearing all edges, including the tip. Advancing to the larger applicator and the marker style, proceed with a similar approach. Submerge the stick at a 45-degree angle, extending your index finger. Remove the excess wax by smearing all the edges, including the tip. Moving on to the medium-sized bulb technique, dip about 1/6 of the large stick into the wax spot. Enter the wax at a 45-degree angle, rotating the stick horizontally without tilting. When dealing with a large amount of wax, utilizing the same technique, dip approximately 1/4 to 1/3 of the stick into the wax spot, entering at a 45-degree angle. As you withdraw, the wax on the stick will resemble a honeycomb shape. Always check for wax strength to guarantee a clean application. To apply smaller wax strips for facial waxing, hold the applicator at a 70-degree angle and start applying the strip. Adjust the angle as needed for a controlled and precise application. This technique is highly effective for getting the best results in facial waxing. For marker style application with a large applicator, the process is the same. Hold the stick straight up and down as you begin applying the desired strip. Gradually flatten the stick as additional wax is needed. This technique is well suited for creating tidy strips during body waxing, including underarm waxing with minimal hair. For medium-sized wax strips, perfect for bikini and underarm waxing, follow these precise steps. Hold the flat part of the stick at a 90-degree angle to the skin, applying pressure. Utilize the tip of the stick, tilting it at a 45-degree angle with the tip pointing downward. Always move in the direction the tip is pointing and create a tab at the end of the strip. This technique ensures optimal results in delicate areas like the bikini and underarms, allowing for an easy and effective strip removal. When working with larger wax strips for areas like arms, legs, or the back, follow the same approach as the medium-sized strips. Keep the flat part of the stick at a 90-degree angle to the skin, applying steady pressure. The key adjustment: tilt the entire stick at a 15 to 20-degree angle instead of the 45-degree angle for the medium-sized strips. This change allows for the broader coverage on the skin. Move in the direction the tilted stick points, and remember to create a proper tap at the end for lifting the strip. This technique ensures a smooth and controlled application on larger body parts. Segmented removal, a technique tailored for the most effective and efficient waxing results. This approach breaks down the removal process into segments, allowing precise hand repositioning to maintain optimal skin tension. When pulling off the strip, it's important to move along the skin rather than upwards. This careful approach ensures both effectiveness and prioritizes clients' comfort through their waxing procedure, preventing any discomfort or bruising. With a solid foundation and obtaining and applying wax correctly, you're ready for a pro-level experience. Practice often to refine your skills. For more pro tips, follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy waxing!